So today I'm going to be doing a Nikki tutorials look, why Valentine's Day sucks and how to make it better. And in this video, she makes her face look like, wait for it, a cloud. And not only a cloud, she makes her face look like a pink cloud. So let's get started.
I'm living good, I'm living great. Everything I do in the first place. I said I'm living good, I'm living great. Everything I do in the first place. Yeah. Watch my money grow, watch my money grow watch my money grow like a.
So I started with a nice base coat of very thick foundation.
Okay, so this right here is the eye look that I came up with. Now this by itself could be a bomb, extremely colorful Valentine's Day look. If you just want to keep it at the eyes, you can totally do that. If you think this is too much, that is an opinion.
We're gonna do the pink cloud because we go big or we go home. So let's get started.
The first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids using the P. Louise base in 0.5. And the pink shadow is going to come from this
Oh wait,
here.
no,
This
I've
is
only
the
put it
kimchi.
on my stop. I
This is
don't
the
have that.
kimchi
But I have the
chic,
more free
Rainbow
Jeffrey's
Sharks
barb.
palette, everybody, and it looks better because we want it to act like a magnet.
Whoa.
So the pink is.
Whoa, that's a lot. Shoot, she didn't go that far over. But I also have bigger eyelids than her. I got more real estate, you know what I mean?
Start diffusing and soften up that edge. And you do this by applying the softest pressure with your brush and creating soft circular motions.
Okay, girl, okay, I'm trying. The middle is just morphing into itself. No! I'm like a crazy person. Hers looks really professional, and mine kind of looks like the little girl who went to Dillard's with her mom and played in like the Tinkerbell makeup section in 1995. She did not tell me about a step. She had to have put something on that she's not telling me about, and I'm kind of mad about it. What the heck, Nikki? Thought we were friends, and you're not telling me about it, and it looks kind of like Lynn. It kind of looks like this color, and you put it on and you didn't tell me about it. And it's right up there by your crease, and I don't have it, or maybe I'm just too brown. Come on. There you go, come on. Slap it, girl, slap it. Do I need to spray fixer on you? Okay, so I have put my lashes on to give you a full side-by-side comparison of my makeup compared to Nikki tutorials. I'll give you a side-by-side. I think we all knew who the professional is. It's me. I'm gonna go ahead and say, I look like a Valentine weirdo. Okay, so let's move on to the cloud portion, which gets really crazy. Here we go. Okay, so I have watched how Nikki Tutorials does her cloud look, and I've gotta say, on my olive, darker skin, I don't believe that I should go full pink for my base. I'm gonna do a little bit of white and a little bit of pink, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna start with some P. Louise base white. This is like pure white. That's white. Oh, that's white. Okay, I'm just gonna dab a little here, a little there, and blend it up. Okay. I can do. There's kids coming home from school being like, what are you doing? Just making a makeup video, a crazy, crazy makeup video, kids. Don't even pay attention to me. Now I'm gonna go in with some pink and give it a little bit of oomph to blend it with the eyes. Still kind of look like I have a skin disease, but you know, whatever. We'll make it work. So I'm going back in with this same P. Louise, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and kind of bend it like a cloud and hope that we can make some cloud shapes. Well, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. You know, I think what she has going for her is that there's this like glowy pink thing around her eyes. And this could totally ruin it for me, but I'm gonna try and add it. Oh, I tried. Okay, people. Give it to me straight. What do you think about this makeup look? Again, I'll put our comparisons next to each other. Hold on. I see a little pink right there. I see a little pink right there. Nope, I need a little more pink right there. I don't think that made that better. Okay, we've come to a close. I've used my Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, which means it probably couldn't have been better. Let me know what you think. Remember, I'm an amateur. I'm not a professional at this. Did I pull it off? Did I halfway pull it off? How do my glasses make it look? The clear glasses. Oh, it makes me look like I'm even more diseased. Okay, guys, there's only one more thing to do, and that's to get Ben's reaction. But he's out of town, which means we gotta call him. So unfortunately, the sound did not record on Ben's reaction call, and it's so sad. But here's the extent of our call. He laughs, and he says, "What is that?" And I say, "I made my makeup as a cloud. What do you think?" And he says, "Oh, a cloud. That's something." And I say, "What do you think?" And he says, "I'm glad you like it." And I was like, "Well, that wasn't really a response. What do you think of it?" And he said, "I'm happy you like it." And I was like, "Okay, great. A classic Ben reaction. And I'm glad you at least got to see it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.